Today we're making two simple Korean dishes. The first is Jangjorim made with quail eggs and shishito peppers. Many Korean families keep it in the fridge because it's easy to enjoy with a bowl of rice and lasts for several days. We'll also make an incredibly simple doenjang stew with just a few basic ingredients. And at the end of today's video, I'll show you a lovely cafe near Mongdol Beach in Geoje. Let's get started. Jangjorim is usually made with lean cuts of meat. Today we're using quail eggs instead, but you can easily replace them with meat if you prefer. Beef and pork are the most common choices, but I've even seen chicken jangjorim. You can also use regular eggs instead of a quail egg. We use both meat and eggs, feel free to make it your own. To me, Doenjang Jjigae is the ultimate Korean home-cooked meal. Of course, you can find it in restaurants, but somehow it always feels like food from home. There are a few dishes that remind me of home and my mom, and Doenjang Jjigae is definitely one of them. Every time I say something like this, I realize I'm getting older. I really hated my military service at the time, but if I could go back, I think I'd even be willing to do it all over again just to relive those days. Maybe that's what nostalgia does to me. Speaking of going back to the past, is there a time in your life you would want to go back to? If so, when would it be, and why? If I could go back to when I was younger, I think I would spend more time thinking about what I truly like and what I might actually be good at. For some reason, I think these little quail eggs look really cute. Quail eggs aren't very expensive in Korea, but I've heard they are quite expensive in some countries. Personally, I think I love almost anything that's soy sauce based or mayonnaise based. Salty, sweet, rich. I just can't resist those flavors. Maybe that's a problem. This cafe is near Mongdol Beach in Geoje. They have a great selection of fresh bakery items and the view is absolutely beautiful. The footage was taken by my sister, who is always cooking in our videos during a family trip. Watching this makes me want to travel again, especially overseas. I've been to Singapore once, but I spent most of my time doing typical tourist activities, so I'd love to go back someday. I also heard that Batam Island in Indonesia is only about a 40-minute ferry ride from Singapore. I'd really love to visit there too. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope our video brought a little joy to your day. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd really appreciate your support. See you next time. Bye.